officials had a discussion on the current state of regenerative medicine. WDVM Shennekia Grimshaw reports.
Regenerative medicine is a broad field that deals with gene and cell therapy or regrowing and the replacement of human tissue.
I'm highly confident that we have something that can cure HIV, but now we got to prove it.
To better explain this, it's where medicine and technology meets. That's where American Gene Technologies in Montgomery County comes in.
So we can replace a virus with essentially an update that makes your DNA better.
The company is working on a list of drugs to not only deal with disease, but cure it with a new approach. But they say it's a challenge.
You're spending millions and millions of dollars to get this drug to approval, but yet you only have a population of, let's say, 10,000 patients who might be able to afford to use it.
You know, we might have something that would be a whole new way of treating cancer where you wouldn't need surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy.
The discussion held was filled with Maryland cell-based companies, entrepreneurs, researchers, and industry leaders.
It's a field that requires a lot of effort, a lot of money, and a lot of great minds.
Galvin and Gensel say there's a progress being made, and a lot of it starts right here in Maryland.
It's between Baltimore, Montgomery County, and Frederick together. Probably we have a cluster of about 50 companies in the field.
Officials say events like this shows a very vibrant biotech community in Montgomery County. In Rockville, Shennekia Grimshaw, I-270 News.
The Maryland Stem Cell Research Act was established by the governor in 2006. This year, the program has a budget of $8.2 million.